Bless you.
The bacon sneezing on everybody. Oh. Come over here. Who are you? Leonardo. Get in there, buddy. Oh, no one wants to go by Millie again.
Who's growling?
That's Millie.
Millie. Oh my gosh.
This is awesome.
I should have divided it up amongst more plates. It was fine when they were littler. I swear to God, they've doubled in size in the last week.
They've gotten so big. Like Larkin.
Big fatty. You guys are fatties. Aww.
Oh, are you hiding over there?